How to delete group in Snapchat. So if you want to delete a group in Snapchat, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, go with your chats, which is on the bottom left, and then go with the group that you've created. So if you've not created, you can simply go and create a group right now. Now, once you have your group, you just need to simply tap on the group and go with the top left, which has that profile option of the group. And once you have the group, you can go with the top right, which has that 3 dots icon. And here you won't have an option to delete group, right? So in order of deleting the group, what you can do is just remove the persons that you have on your group. So tap on the person and then tap on remove from group, tap on remove, then again go with the second person, tap on remove, remove. Once you've removed all of the persons from the group, then you just need to simply go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and tap on leave group and tap on leave, and that's it. The group has been deleted. So that's how you can delete your group on your Snapchat, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.